Hey everyone, it's Alessandro Buxo from Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the recipe for buttered chicken. I've said this before, but Indian food is one of my favorite foods to eat, and buttered chicken is one of the dishes that I really love. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do, and if you do, please don't forget to press the like button below, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'd love to hear where you're watching the video from. Let's get started. First, let's work on the chicken marinade. In a large bowl, add half cup of plain Greek yogurt. Then, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, 5 to 6 minced cloves of garlic, a 1-inch piece of fresh grated ginger, a good squeeze of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then, mix everything well to combine. Next, cut 2 chicken breasts about 1.5 pounds into cubes and add it to the marinade. Mix it well to coat, then cover and refrigerate for at least 3 hours to overnight. Now let's start on the sauce. First, chop 1 yellow onion, 6 garlic cloves, and 5 large tomatoes. In a large pan over high heat, add a good drizzle of olive oil, then sear the chicken pieces. Do this in batches, without overcrowding the pan. Get a nice color on the chicken, but do not worry about cooking it through. The chicken will finish cooking later in the sauce. Reserve the chicken and in the same pan add 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter and a good drizzle of olive oil. Then add the onions and sauté until translucent. Then add the garlic and a 1-inch piece of fresh grated ginger. Then add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Use half for a less spicy version. Then add the tomatoes. Cook until the tomatoes have softened and broken up, scraping any of the chicken marinade that was stuck to the pan to incorporate it into the sauce. At this time, season with salt and 2 teaspoons of Garam Masala. Then, transfer the sauce into a high-speed blender. Add 1 cup of chicken stock and blend it until you have a nice and smooth sauce. Return the sauce into the pan and add 1 cup of heavy cream. Add the chicken into the sauce and bring it back to a boil. Then simmer for 10 minutes. To finish, crush 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried fenugreek leaves and add it into the sauce. Simmer for 1 to 2 additional minutes and the buttered chicken is done. I am serving mine today with an extra drizzle of cream, some fresh cilantro, and some homemade garlic naan. You can also serve it with some basmati rice. This is a truly delicious and authentic recipe. I hope you have enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like it and support the channel by subscribing and leaving a comment. And it's time to eat. Thank you for watching.